Buyers and sellers of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, have come to this exhibit to see what's new in the field. Organizer Arya Gozi says the newest drones are quadricopters.
These are systems that hovering with electrical motors. They take off very quietly. They can fly over your head without you noticing that they are there with a camera. And on one hand, it's a big achievement, but on the other hand, people use it now without any regulations. And we had some instances in Israel and in the USA that these quadcopters came very near to passenger aircraft, and this thing will have to be regulated.
That's exactly what the startup Kaluga is offering with its R-copter.
We aim to many markets, such as precision agriculture. For example, for first responders, we believe that any firefighter towers will be aircraft like that.
Some companies are even making aviation parts using 3D printers.
It's able to print the parts from an engineering polymer called Ultem, which is an aerospace grade of material able to make parts for the aerospace industry. So the advantage is that we're able to print very, very complex parts that the only way to print those designs is with 3D printing and not with conventional ways. We don't need a tool to do it, and the price and the resources that we're going to use to do it is very small compared to traditional methods.
Israel Aerospace Industries is one of the leading companies making drones, such as the Heron, which was on display. IAI also offers state-of-the-art training in flying UAVs.
We have a real-time mission going on our training, and here you can see our operator bay, which is a real operational bay which we have in our control stations. The other post over there is actually the instructor post, and from this post, from the instructor post, we actually conducting the mission, the training, and from this post, from the operator post, we are actually flying the UAV.
The latest aerostat systems, which were used during last summer's fighting between Israel and the Islamist Hamas in Gaza, were also on display.
We do all kinds of mission over there, border protecting and intelligence and all kinds of special forces, and we do all kinds of missions. During the protective edge operation, we had 13 systems around the Gaza Strip. We now we're working around also on the Egyptian border, Jerusalem for the police.
Israel was one of the first countries in the world to build drones and has invested a lot of time and money in making them more successful.
Israel needed it for survival. It's not that the U.S. Doesn't have the capability, but then they don't fight on their soil. They fight in Afghanistan, far away. Just think that not all of them can be shown. Some are highly classified, and they will stay highly classified for many years to come. So what is seen here is only the tip of the iceberg.
For the Media Line, I'm Linda Gradstein in Rishon LeZion.